Prime Minister Narendra Modi today extended the nationwide lockdown till May 3rd in order to prevent spread of coronavirus. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation this morning at 10, the last day of 21 days lockdown. He announced that the lockdown has been extended till May 3rd and will be imposed even more strictly. According to media report, the total number of confirmed corona cases in India has reached 10,453 and fatalities 358 with 1,985 cases. Maharashtra has the highest number of cases in the country, while Madhya Pradesh has the highest death rate among all Indian states. This was Modi's third address to the nation in the last 1 month in view of COVID-19 pandemic. Meghalaya yesterday registered the first COVID-19 positive case. The COVID-19 positive patient is a 69-year-old doctor of Bethany Hospital in Shillong. As per media reports, Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Hek confirmed the news, saying the doctor tested positive for the deadly COVID-19 virus. Hek said Bethany Hospital has been sealed indefinitely. Mizoram recorded the second case of COVID-19 on Monday. A 26-year-old woman has tested positive from the dreaded virus in Mumbai. This was informed by Mizoram Chief Secretary Lalnunmuwa Chuwango. The Chief Secretary further said the isolation process has begun and she is being treated at a hospital in Mumbai. More Battalion 43 Assam Rifle once again show the best border guarding force of Indo-Myanmar border. The Assam Rifle seized a huge consignment of sanitation and hygiene materials, including Dettol liquid and Dettol soaps, which were being smuggled to Myanmar when the country is facing shortage of these critical items. Despite repeated warnings, some people are indulged in smuggling of medicines, disinfectants, sanitation and hygiene material, ignoring the threat of deadly coronavirus, a report said today. Indian companies and government entities have placed orders for 15 million personal protective equipments, PPE kits, including gowns and masks, and 1.5 million rapid testing kits from China. Officials said today, as per reports, the Indian government is calling on China to fulfill those orders amid concern over tightening regulations on exporting such equipment by Chinese authorities, following criticism from several European countries over the quality of exports. Protesting against the mysterious death of 24-year-old youth, Iraq residents of Haizang village and Tiyang Nom village block and National Highway 102 bypass road. T.H. Deepak Maitei of Khunau Laikai More Ward number 9 was found dead under mysterious circumstances last morning near Haizang bridge in Saizang village under More. Maitei Council More also condemned the incident and suspect foul play in Deepak's death. Haurebi Youth Council distributed ration to people of Lilong Haurebi Mayai Laikai. Some part of Lilong in Thoubal district are currently under strict surveillance after one COVID-19 positive case was detected recently. Ration was distributed to around 550 households of the area. BJP Manipur Pradesh today observed the 129th birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimo Rao Ambedkar at the Khangabok residence of former party Vice President Thokchom Jadumani in Thoubal district. As a part of the observance, drinking water was distributed to every household in Khangabok constituency. Researchers have detected coronavirus in 2 species of bat from 4 states in India. An Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) study published on Monday shows, as per a media report, bats are known reservoirs for a broad range of coronaviruses and are often transmitted to humans through an intermediated host. Throat samples of 2 bat species from 7 states were screened for the virus, of which samples from Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu were found positive. Samples from Karnataka, Chandigarh, Gujarat, Odisha, Punjab and Telangana were negative. Enlighthopedia has provided science and maths online classes for class 10 students free of subscription fee. The courses has been taken up to provide online classes to the students during the COVID-19 lockdown. Globally, 1,19,682 people have died from coronavirus and confirmed infection has reached 19,24,927. As per reports, the United States has recorded 5,86,941 coronavirus cases and its death toll stands at 23,640, while Russian President Vladimir Putin has said outbreak in his country is bad and getting worse.